Hey, Last Boy Scouts, it's Reid. So today we're going to talk about site selection. There's 5 W's you need to be aware of when finding and looking for a place that you're going to set up your camp. Five W's. W number 1, water source. Right? We want to be near a water source as much as possible, so we have that access to your camp. And then through some other videos we're going to do, we're going to talk about water filtration. Also, we want to look for wood. What we're going to burn in the area to make a campfire. Okay? We want plenty of wood source. Where we're at here, you can see, look around. There's plenty of wood source that we can utilize for a campfire. But then there's 3 things we want to stay away from in those 5 W's. Number 1, wind. We want to find a location where we're not too high on the hill or too low in a gully like this, because this is where cold air is going to settle at night. And up high, you're going to be hit by any kind of winds that come through, again, causing that cold temperatures. So you want to find somewhere in between and in the middle. Widowmakers. Now, last night while we were camping, we experienced this firsthand. Widowmakers are dead limbs, dead trees that may be near your camp area. About 4 a.m. last night, a large tree back in this area here fell, and I'll tell you what, if that hits you, comes down in your camp, that's going to be a bad day. So make sure you're choosing an area that has a wide open space. You're away from those widowmakers, those dead limbs, trees, so that you can be safe in your camp area. And number 5, we're going to talk about wildlife. Wildlife is, it's everywhere, but when you pick a site that you're going to camp in, what we're looking for is a lack of game trails. We don't want to have a lot of movement in the area that we're in, so scout the area, look around, look on the ground, see what's around you. You can call them wigglers if you want, your insects life that's on the ground. A lot of sites that we've looked at had a lot of ants. So things you want to stay away from when you're picking your site to camp and to set up. W's that you're going to want to remember when you're doing a site selection for your camping trip or you're out on one of your adventures. So for the Last Boy Scouts, we want to say, hey, get outside, enjoy wildlife, enjoy the peace of being in the mountains and being out and about. But remember, knowledge is your power. Without knowledge, you're going to have a bad day. But be vigilant, be prepared, be safe, and we'll see you next time around.